guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying a little bit of a different look today as far as the hair, if you can't tell. So I wanted to try some space buns to see how they look. They do look a little different in person, a little bit more texture, but I think they look pretty cute. Hopefully it'll go with the look that I'm doing today and I can bring all of that together. But right now, I'm telling you, these were kind of hard to put together to make it look even, because it looked even in person, but on camera it looked kind of off, so I had to try to fix it. So I tried like 10 million ways to fix it. Finally I have this. I feel like I can't move. I have these pieces at the end that are just like flying away. I don't know if they look that great, but you know, whatever. And I don't really have short bangs anymore. My hair grew out so much, so yeah, everything is kind of long. But either way, I feel like I need this. Hopefully everything will look better after I do my look. So today I'm thinking of doing something that's very purple. I think I have done a purple look on my channel before, but today I just want to do like a really pretty lavendery purple look. So if you want to see what I'm going to put together, please keep watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with the TimeBalm primer by TheBalm Cosmetics. So next I'm going to go ahead and color correct, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Camo in Apricot. I love this color corrector. It is like the perfect color, I feel like, for me, because it's not too orange, it's not too pink. So now I'm going to go ahead and add foundation, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in Toffee, but along with that I'm going to use the liquid highlighter by Huda Beauty in Aphrodite. And then along with that, I feel like this foundation is a little light for me sometimes, so I'm going to add a little bit of this Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define. It's a little bit more brown, so I'm going to add a little bit to that and mix all of that together, and hopefully it'll give me a good color, also a good glow. I'm also going to go ahead and add this GlamGlow Moisturizer in Nude Glow just to give it an extra glow. Plus, it's not going to be as matte because that foundation is pretty matte. So I don't have a dewy foundation right now, so I'm going to use that to make it a little bit more dewy. It is definitely a mix of a lot of stuff, but I feel like it's okay because you got to do what is going to work well for your skin. So right now my skin is pretty dry, it's pretty worn out, I feel like. It hasn't been getting the rest that it needs, so I don't have dewy foundation, but adding a little bit of moisturizer seems to help. Now for concealer, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the color Granola. Now for the concealer, I'm actually going to go back into the same concealer I used for my foundation and add a little bit of depth to my face. Alright, now I can go and powder, and I'm actually going to use my Huda Beauty, I don't know if you can see, I already have it open, but it's my Huda Beauty powder in Blondie. Just put a little bit of powder. I'm going to put it on my lid as well. Since I did put some concealer on my lid, that should set it. And I'm basically adding some powder to the areas that I did not contour. Now to powder contour, I'm going to use my E.L.F. palette in light to medium. And I'm going to use the darkest color right here to contour my skin. Now I want to work on my eyes, and for my eyes I'm going to go back into an oldie but a goodie. This is my Morphe 35B palette. If you guys don't know, I've been waiting for this palette for a very long time. It's been out for like God knows forever. I don't even know if they have this anymore, but I do think that the James Charles palette is probably like what they changed it with for Morphe. So yeah, I don't think they have this palette anymore. But I really love this because of all the colors it offers, and I want to do a nice lavender purple look, and I feel like this would be a perfect palette for that. I haven't used this in a very long time. I did do a video on this when I got this. It was one of my first videos on YouTube. So if you haven't seen that, I will leave a link to it up here. Definitely go check it out. It's one of my earlier videos, and as of right now, I think I have like 100 plus. So yeah, go watch it. So you know what? Let's stay light for the upper lid. I think I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's actually a pretty shimmer color, so I don't even know, but we'll just take that. We'll take that into our crease. It's more of like a pinkish purple color. I'm actually gonna just take that to my lid as well. I'm bringing it all the way down to where my inner corners is as well. Just kind of spreading it pretty freely. Oh, that looks so pretty. Now to give my look a little bit more depth, I'm gonna go into this pretty purple right here. It looks like almost like a true purple, and I'm gonna take that into my bottom lid area. I'm keeping it light when I get here, nothing too crazy. I don't want like a sharp line, just want to keep it nice and light, and I'm keeping all the dark right here. And I'm bringing it down a little bit lower so I get more lid space with this. Alright, now I'm going to take this E.L.F. eyeliner, and it is in the color Pink Opal. It's almost like a glittery liner, and I'm going to just go ahead and spread it right onto my lid, just to give it a little bit more of an iridescent-ish kind of a look. That looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell. Now I just need for it to dry so it doesn't all crumble up and look weird. This gives a little bit of a shine to the already shiny, shimmery eyeshadow that I already have on. So for eyeliner, I am going to go back into my Mostory eyeliner and stamp, and I'm going to try to give a nice, simple wing look. I've been really liking a wing look lately, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So it does have a stamp on one end, and I'm just going to wing it. Alright, so the eyeliner is done. I like the way it looks. So I'm going to take this NYX Nude Wonder Pencil in medium to line my bottom lid. For my lashes, I'm going to take this LA Girl Volumatic mascara in purple, and I don't think I'm going to do lashes, so we'll see how this works. Normally for my top lashes, for it to stay curly, I need waterproof mascara. This is not, I don't think. No, it's not. So hopefully it'll stay. If you guys can't see my lashes, and I kind of feel like you might not be able to. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I took the lashes game to a whole nother level, so it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. So what I did do is I took this Grande primer, and it's white, and I put that first, and then I put the purple mascara on top of it just to amplify the purple a little bit more because it is going against black. And on top of that, it just made everything so much thicker and more voluminous, and I mean this look is kind of over the top anyways, so it's just perfect. Also the lashes I used are the Ardell Wispies, and they look like this, so since I had so many of them, I didn't mind having one of them be purple. So yeah, but I feel like these lashes are really great for this look anyways. Now I'm debating if I want to use any glitter. I kind of feel like I do, so I think I will. So I do have purple glitter, and these are kind of like the bigger little flakes or whatever. So I'm thinking of putting that in my inner corner. Yeah? Alright, let's do it. So maybe like 3 or 4 in my inner corner would be fine. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take this NYX glitter glue and put a little bit into my inner corner. And I'm just taking a pointy brush like this. It's an eyeliner brush, and apparently the glitter is sticking onto it. So I'm going to use that to stick it to the inner corner. Looks like I have like a little flower in my inner corner. Why not, right? So for my brows, I'm going to take this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in darkest brown and go ahead and shape my brows. Alright, so my brows are done, and as of right now, I'm just going to keep my eyes the way they are. They're still kind of cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some blush and highlighter. So for my blush, I'm going to use the Balm Cosmetics blush in Down Boy, and it's like this beautiful, beautiful pink. I'm going to use that first. I'll tell you why I said first. And then what I'm going to use is this Luna highlighter in Calypso. And it is like this beautiful lavendery pink highlighter. So hopefully that'll give me like this beautiful, beautiful like lavender glow. That is going so well with my eyeshadow right now. Now this look is a little bit over the top. I know. I completely know, and it was intended that way because I wouldn't wear this out. I normally wouldn't. But it's a fun look. This is me just having fun with some makeup. Now for lips, I have this Revlon Matte Lip Mousse in Death Valley, and this is like this beautiful lavendery pink mauve type of a color. I guess more like a mauve type. So let's see how that's gonna look with this whole look. Look, look, look. Aw, that's pretty. Alright guys, so I like this matte lipstick. As you can see, I do have my earrings back on and I put my hair back down. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. It's very, very fun. I love this whole lavender take over my face look, and the eyes are so simple. It's literally one eyeshadow on top with like a little bit of a glitter. Which is optional. You don't even have to go in that route, but I do like that little touch of glitter, sparkle in my inner corners, and also the bottom is just plain purple with like a nude liner. So this whole look is super, super simple, but it's so pretty, and I feel like it's serving me like this whole look that I mean, I don't even know who I am right now, but it's definitely doing justice to my space buns, I feel like. You guys should definitely let me know if you are feeling this look, especially the eyes. I feel like the eyes are so pretty and it's just so simple. And also, like, you know, what other colors do you guys want me to try? Like, I'm really feeling this purple right now. I've been wanting to do purple for a while, especially because I had the purple mascara. But yeah, I'm serving you some lavender, purple, space bun funness right now, whatever that means. And also I really wanted to wear these earrings, so yeah. But yeah, the hair was a bit tricky because you want to get it even. You would think space buns would be easy, but no, they weren't. And I don't know if it's because it's the first time I'm trying it, and these little bits and bobs that are all over the place, I don't know if it even looks right, you guys, but I tried it, you know. I tried it, and I tried to do something fun. I love doing fun looks on my channel as well, so leave me a comment letting me know what you think of this look. If you like the buns, if you like the lavender, just let me know. And also, if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!